Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about one of the major challenge in organizations. Customer continue to buy, delay in payment realization. At the time, it becomes critical for organization's cash flow. Management need to have an comprehensive control. So to get connected with top management and appraise the situation in a formal way. How it is? You aware the legacy of Dunning. Exactly, the Dunning is the process defined in SAP Business One. Let's explore now. SAP Business One Dunning Wizard helps you to track the open invoices and monitor the payment behavior of your customers. Thus, Wizard monitor all outstanding documents and transactions in SAP Business One and represent overdue debt. It automatically generates late notices that increase the urgency over time. SAP Business One includes 10 Dunning letter layouts in it. The letter layouts 1, 2 and 3 are predefined as the first, second and third late notices. Letter layouts 4 and through 10 are blank layouts. You can decide how many Dunning levels to use in your company and customize a letter layout for every level using Print Layout Designer. After you have customized the letter layouts for the Dunning levels in your company, you can choose to print the letters generated by the Dunning Wizard. The letters display you charges and additions as well as the details of the customer's open invoices at the selected Dunning level. For more information about customizing a layout, please follow us. See you soon. Thank you all.